Hello and welcome to our latest look at Vanishing World Steam. Ever since the Telerail team first visited China in the early 1990s, the perennial question has always been just how much longer can fantastic steam action like this last? As various deadlines, including the end of mainline steam on China Rail, passed by, and as we edged towards the dawn of the new millennium, still that nagging question remained unanswered. How much longer can steam possibly continue? 3 years later, perhaps the most incredible aspect is not that a fair amount of steam has managed to survive, but that there's still such a variety of locations and classes left working. As we shall see during the course of this programme, everyday standard gauge action includes SYs, JSs, China's oldest working class, the JFs, and of course the most numerous class remaining, the mighty QJs. Tifa is a thriving mining community some 80 kilometres north of Shenyang in Liaoning province, and railway operations here are controlled by the Tifa Coal Mining Administration, which is also known as the Darking Coal Company. The main stabling point for the extensive railway, which currently serves a total of 9 mines, is here at Darking. At the start of 2001, there were 19 serviceable SYs and a single JS, which tended to be used for specials.